India and Denmark's maritime relations continue to strengthen, with both nations working closely to advance sustainable maritime practices. Under the India-Denmark Green Strategic Partnership, the collaboration has expanded across key areas such as quality shipping, cooperation on port state control, maritime training and education, research and development, piracy, green maritime technology, shipbuilding and green shipping. Denmark, a global leader in sustainable maritime technologies, has been sharing its expertise in green and digital solutions. Aligning with India's goals under the Sagarmala Initiative and the Maritime India Vision 2030. Scope of the MoU, signed in 2019 and revised in 2022, has been widened by adding a dedicated clause for the establishment of a Centre of Excellence in India. This underscores the commitment to deepening expertise in green maritime technologies and fostering knowledge exchange between the two nations. Additionally, Denmark's expertise in port digitalization, automation, and cybersecurity has been instrumental in helping India achieve its vision of becoming a global leader in smart ports. Danish dignitaries have played a pivotal role in furthering this cooperation, with key figures such as H.E. Mr. Morten Bodskov, Honorable Minister of Industry, Business and Financial Affairs, H.E. Mr. Freddy Swane, Ambassador of Denmark, Mr. Soren Andersen, Special Advisor to the Minister, Mr. Brian Wessel, Deputy Permanent Secretary for Legal and International Affairs, EMS. Amalia Elizabeth Knudsen, Private Secretary to the Minister, EMS. Kjell Skræddergaard, Head of Section, EMS. Miamor Mortensen, Official Photographer, EMS. Josephine Eva Lily Palsen, Counselor. And Mr. Matthias Emil Bengtsson, First Secretary, Trade Policy, Trade and Commercial Affairs, all contributing to the advancement of these initiatives.